For what?
For criminal damage for domestic violence.
How did you kick the door down?
You kicked down a door. That's criminal damage.
You can't arrest me for that.
Don't, Davie.
I will, bro.
Don't.
Let me go.
Don't.
I'm not doing that.
Don't.
Let me go.
Don't.
Let me go.
Don't do it, dude.
Let me go, bro.
I promise you, tase you. Do not do it. Do not. Stop. 89 on 415.
Come back, man.
Stop. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
You're getting crazy, not me.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me go. Let me go.
89, shots fired, shots fired.
Copy, shots.
Don't move.
Leave me alone. Can you please go?
Hands.
Please go. You shot me.
I'll shoot again, you get up. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move.
I'm not going after you. I just want to stay up.
No.
Why not?
Do not move. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back. Now.
Call 911, man. You're bleeding bad. You shot me in the head.
I did call 911. Paul 89. Information, he's been shot once. He's still non-compliant. I'm bleeding pretty bad. Step everybody up now. Do not move.
Sir, just confirming you were shot.
Don't
Yeah, I'm moving from what, man?
89. I'm bleeding from the head. He's been shot once. Dude, move.
10-4, sir. Medical's been advised. We have units rolling code, and Sam 20's also been advised.
Dude, Davie.
Taking my socks off.
Put your hands behind your back, man. I can get medical in here for you. I want medical for you, Davie. I don't want this. Just put your hands behind your back and cuff up, dude. I'll get medical in to come take care of you. Come on, man. Let me get medical, come take care of you.
Yeah, I'm right here. Call ambulance.
I am. If you let me cuff you up, they can come in here and take care of you.
Medical.
They're on their way. They're not going to come in here until you cuff up.
Well, when they come here, I'll cuff up.
Cuff up, Davie.
I'll wait for him.
Cuff up, dude.
I'll wait for him, bro.
Don't play games. Cuff up.
You don't play games.
Cuff up.
Play games.
Where are you hit, Davie? Where are you hit, bud?
Doesn't matter, bro.
I'm going to throw you some bandages. Where are you hit?
Don't touch me, bro.
You were hitting me in the head with a board.
You, bro. Get away.
Whatever, dude. Cuff up.
No.
Cuff up.
I ain't. I'll put it away, nigga. Open right away, nigga.
'89 information. Male subject still failing to comply. I have him at gunpoint.
Alright, to do all that, man.
Copy, male subject still non-compliant and he's at gunpoint.
You're a real cowboy.
Yeah, I'm a real cop.
I didn't see your ID. I didn't see
I'm wearing a freaking uniform.
How much people get uniforms?
There's a police car out front. You just seen it already if you would have just cuffed up.
Let me see your code. Let me see your thing.
What thing?
Your badge.
My badge is right there, Davey.
Your badge number.
89.
89 what?
89.
There's no such thing as 89.
Yes, it is. It's 89. Whatever you say, Davey.
You know what badge number?
You'll see when everybody else gets here, dude.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah?
Yep.
Davey, where are you hit so I can throw you some bandages, man?
Don't worry about it.
Huh?
Don't worry about it.
All right, man, fine. I want to help you, but you're not going to let me. 89, he's still non-compliant.
10 point.
Cuff up, dude.
No, I'm not going to.
The medical's not going to come help you until you cuff up.
I'll drink to it, bro. I don't care.
Davey,
I don't care.
you're the one that wanted medical call. Cuff up, bud.
No, I'm good.
Davey, please cuff up.
No.
Davey, please cuff up, bud. Please. Please cuff up, Davey. Davey, cuff up, man. Let me help you.
No, I'm good.
I've got all kinds of medical stuff. I can help you out, bud. Let me help you. I don't want you to die, Davey. Let me help you, bud. Davey, come on, man. Let me help you out. Stop being so stubborn and let me help you.
I don't need help.
Dude, your mom and your nephews and stuff don't want this. Come on. Cuff up and let me do some medical stuff. At least tell me where you're hit, Davey. Davey, listen, bud. I'm trying to help you, man. I'm trying to help you, man. If I toss you the bandages, will you take care of it yourself? Here. Look, man. Davey. Here, bud. They're bandages, man. Davey, they're bandages. Use them. I'm not going away, Davey.
I'm going to go to prison. So what then? You leave me alone.
I want to save your life, dude.
I don't want your help.
You really think you want to just die?
Yeah, I do.
I don't want you to die, Davey.
What was this?
I mean, hell, dude, you were just fighting me, but I still don't want you to die.
You don't even know me.
I know you from the last time you were in the jail, man. You don't remember me? I worked in the pods where you were at. Don't play me. We never had issues.
Whatever, man.
Use the bandages, dude. They're right there. Davey, use the bandages, man. Use the bandages, Davey.
No.